Hey guys, it's AG64 from Anubis Gaming. Inside the box, you get a manual and the Type-C cable. It is Hotswappable, no keycap or switch puller at. So this is a 60% mechanical keyboard with arrow keys. And this weighs about 500 grams. It even FN and slash over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it looks like we have 16 line modes. Wow, that's a lot. So not bad. Now let's take a look at a set.